This 2020 Gulfstream Conquest Ultralight 259BH is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Bloomsburg, Pennsylvania, 17815 and is offered for sale by Susquehanna RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Gulfstream is 30 feet 0 inches in length and features a brown interior, sleeps 8, Slideout, and 51 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunkhouse, front bedroom. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.